In this audio pronunciation guide, we will tackle the sample conversations and some location marking particles that can help you understand Tagalog. Let's take a look at the sample conversations at the left side part of this page, and let's apply what we have learned in the previous page of this section. So for our examples, we have number 1, dito sa bahay. Dito, here, sa, which is a location marking particle, and bahay, which is a place. That is equivalent, or if we translate it in English, it is here in the house. For number 2, we have doon sa gitna ng bukid. Doon sa gitna ng bukid, which means there in the middle of the field. So we have used doon, which means it's a faraway place, sa, which is a location marking particle, and gitna ng bukid, which is middle of the field, which is a place. Okay. Number 3, we have diyan sa kanto. Diyan sa kanto. Diyan sa kanto, which means there, just around the corner. So let's jump to the sample conversation 1 that we have here. Mr. Sharma said, "Excuse me po, saan po papuntang Makati?" Excuse me po, saan po papuntang Makati? Which means, excuse me, where is the way to Makati? And Mr. Cruz replied, Makati? Sumakay ka dito ng bus sa EDSA. Makati? Sumakay ka dito ng bus sa EDSA. Which means, Makati, get into a bus here in EDSA. And Mr. Sharma said, okay, maraming salamat. Which means, alright, thank you very much. For sample conversation number 2, we have Owen said, Bro, saan mo gusto pumunta? Bro, saan mo gusto pumunta? Which means, bro, where do you want to go? And Marlon responded, gusto ko pumunta sa Pizza Hut. Gusto ko pumunta sa Pizza Hut, which means I want to go to Pizza Hut. Okay. Now, let's jump to the location marking particles. Please take a look at the text above this audio box now that we have learned the Tagalog equivalent of words from and to. So, mula means from. Galing also means from. Hanggang which means to. Now, these words can have the article sa after them when used. For example, mula Makati hanggang Tagaytay, which means from Makati to Tagaytay. If you have noticed, there is no word sa. But in the second example, we have mula sa Baguio hanggang sa Manila, which means from Baguio to Manila. So it depends upon your discretion if you want to add the word sa before the place itself. So is it clear? Please don't hesitate to repeat this audio guide to review the sounds and translations of the English words into Tagalog words. Salamat!